In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a constant contact access token using the developer portal. We'll walk through the exact process from finding the developer portal to securely saving the bearer token you'll use in your integrations. By the end, you'll understand what each screen is asking for and why it matters, so you can move forward with confidence. First, head to the Constant Contact Developer portal in your browser. This is where developers create and manage apps that connect to Constant Contact's API. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your regular Constant Contact account. Use your standard credentials and complete any verification prompts. You need to be signed in so the portal can tie your app and permissions to your account. Once you're in, either open an existing application you've set up before or create a new one. If you're creating a new app, give it a clear, recognizable name and an optional description that reminds you what it's for. This helps you stay organized as you work across different environments or projects. Next, set up your OAuth credentials and redirect settings. OAuth 2.0 is the secure standard Constant Contact uses to let your app request access on your behalf. The developer portal will provide a client ID and in many cases a client secret associated with your app. You'll also be asked for one or more redirect URIs, enter a redirect URL you control, and make sure it matches exactly wherever you plan to handle the authorization response. Same scheme, domain, path, and any trailing slashes. Typos or mismatches here are a common source of errors, so copy and paste carefully. With your OAuth details saved, it's time to authorize the app to generate an access token. Look for the option to authorize or get an access token. You'll be guided through a short consent flow where you confirm what your app is allowed to do. Approve the requested access so the system can issue a token tied to your account and the selected permissions. After authorization completes, the portal will display your bearer token. This token is what your app includes in the authorization header when calling the API. Copy it immediately and store it securely. Treat it like a password. Do not paste it into public places, shared documents, or source control. Many tokens expire after a period of time, so plan to repeat the authorization process when needed. That's it. You've reached the developer portal, signed in, opened or created an app, configured OAuth and redirects, authorized the app, and securely copied your bearer token. Keep it private and you're ready to integrate with Constant Contact.